Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the videopreneur. We're at Bourbon RV in Bourbon, Missouri, looking at an amazing RV. Here you can see the floor plan and the front cap of this fifth wheel. It's a 2022 Jayco North Point 377 RLBH. 4 slides. You can see 1 slide here on the camp side. There are 3 on the other side. This RV sleeps 8, as I mentioned, 4 slides, 2 awnings, 11-foot and a 17-foot power awnings with LED lighting, so you have coverage over the door. We also have a length of 4211 tandem axle residential refrigerator. As we open up the door and step inside, I think you're going to be wowed by the interior on this. The price on this unit is $102,995. That's the sale price. And the link for Bourbon RV is listed below, both new and used, sales, service, parts, all on their website. As we look around the kitchen and the family room, you can see it really is a nice RV. And we've got a couple of hidden secrets for you. Here's one of them: pop-up plug-ins for your residential as well as USB ports. But we've got a couple other surprises that are really significant. And really, this is a nice couch for theater seating with a fold-down armrest. Very attractive. With it in the upright position, you really don't even know it's theater seating, and then you fold it down and voila, it's really attractive. So again, this sleeps 8, and it's 4211 as we look at the, the height in the ceiling here. These cabinets are pretty significantly. The interior height is 8'6". The exterior height is 13'3". And as I mentioned, the length is 4211. Plenty of storage, as you see the flip up hidden pockets on both sides of the couch. And the exterior width is 8 feet. The gross weight on this is 16,995 pounds. So you'll need a dually and you'll need a large truck for this. But wow, what luxury and what creature comforts you have with it. Here you see there's a televator as well as a flat screen TV in the televator, and then we also have a fireplace above cabinet storage. Let me give you some more of the vitals. The tank capacities, the fresh gray and the black, are 75, 87, and 50. The tandem axle, I failed to mention the tire size as we look at this hidden gem. So I'm assuming that's a cutting board, and you put the cutting board on that, and then you can put a waste basket, scrape your waste right off into that. As we open up the pantry, plenty large pantry, room for your cereals as well as all your pancake batter, and a mop and a broom, fully extendable drawers. And then check out this oven, 4-burner cooktop, and huge capacity on the end oven. So the holidays are upon us. Plenty of room for a turkey, a ham, or both. Microwave oven, and then you have to have a wine rack. Great way to store your wines. Microwave oven. As we turn around, here's the waste basket. And then we have a farmer's sink, deep farmer's sink. And we also have a chrome swan neck faucet with a spray head or spray nozzle, fresh water, which I really like the fresh water. There's the cutting board that I mentioned earlier, as well as the drying rack. The furnace is a 40,000 BTU furnace. And really like that drawer there with the positions, or partitions I should say, for your silverware. And then I'm getting ready to show you another one of the hidden gems. A residential style refrigerator, size and style. That Velcro strap holds the door closed or secure when you're traveling. So this refrigerator and this the oven and the cooktop, convection oven, what a wonderful setup for the woman or the man that loves to bake, cook, prepare meals. You have it all right here. Hot water heater capacity of 10 gallons. and it's a gas electric. And then here's the next hidden gem, a mobile office. So you can use this as a bunk room, bunk house, sleep on the couch, or there's also a bunk that folds up. Then we have pass-through storage here. So we normally think of pass-through storage on the outside of the RV. Here we have pass-through storage on the inside. So you can open it and access it from both sides of this. And really a unique setup. You have shelves in there that are movable, adjustable, and then you also have a clothes rod for hanging up your clothes. Here's a nice look at the fold-out couch to accommodate sleeping, as well as a bunk, and then a desk, as well as a flat screen TV above the desk. Plenty of drawer space. So you can use this desk as a planning center or a mobile office if you have a mobile lifestyle. What a great way to travel the country, conduct your business, and still enjoy the great outdoors. Here's your entertainment section, USB, and hook up your stereo there. Additional cabinet space. And then the pass-through storage that I mentioned and showed you earlier. Just want to give you another look. Those shelves are adjustable, or you can drop them down completely and use it as a closet right when you walk inside the door. It's right inside, so you can hang up your jackets or your coats, depending on what season you're camping. Additional space above that. And then we also have the vacuum, so you sweep your dust and dirt right up to there, and the vacuum suck it up. Here's an additional bunk. You can use this for storage, or you can use this for the kids to hang out, whether they're grandkids or your own kids. Flat screen TV, so they can play video games up there or watch movies. Just a really cool setup as far as the bunk is concerned. And then the wow factor on this bathroom is amazing. Walk-in shower, all these cubbies here for your storage, your towels. You can use it for knickknacks or linens for all the bedding. Again, this unit sleeps 8. Here's a teak fold-down stool to sit down in the shower, relax. And then an amazing porcelain bowl for the faucet, and a cascading water faucet. There's your towel ring to hang up your towels. The door is held closed by a magnet, and these magnets are very strong. As we step into the master bedroom, we have additional ports here. So we have a USB ports, as well as plugins and residential plugins. And then we also have a hidden compartment underneath the dresser top. Great place to put your jewelry or your valuables. Windows for your cross ventilation, also to let in the light. And then it's pre-wired, pre-plumbed for a stackable washer and dryer, or leave it in this configuration and use the shelves for your hang-up clothes and your fold-up clothes, your sweaters, your jackets, sweatshirts. Mirrored doors on the closet. And then here's another hidden gem, your laundry hamper. So if you don't use the stackable washer and dryer, you can put your dirty clothing in there, and then when you go to either go home for the wash it at home or at the laundromat. And then what a beautiful bed setup. Plenty of space underneath the bed. This is a queen size bed. Those are the extra chairs for your dining table. And then you can see your electrical cable. We have your water hookup, or your water hose there. And then let me straighten up the bed here, the linen. Just really impressive bedroom. What are your thoughts on this? Would you use it as a mobile office? Would you use it as a planning center? Are you a baker or a cook, chef no-tell? Well, now's your chance to Go ahead and tell. Leave a comment below. Plenty of pillows. I've also seen those pillows used on the couches, and depending on if you like a lot of pillows on your bed or you don't. There's the look at the bunkhouse again as we work our way back down to the gathering room, the kitchen, and take one more look around this glorious fifth wheel. Leave a comment below what you think of this. We appreciate you viewing. Ceiling fan. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and thanks again for watching.